Hello there YouTube, another video on my Taurus PT111 G2 or the G2C model. Yes, this gun is safety check. As you know, in my previous videos I make magazine sleeves for various extended magazines. This one is the mecgar 18 round magazine for the Sig Sauer P226. I showcased the magazine sleeve from Shapeways that I purchased. That was around $23, somewhere around there. It was the only one I can find at the time. It fit perfect and looked perfect. I was really happy with that. Since I already had a 3D printer, I knew I could make some of these sleeves for these magazines. So the version 1 that I came out with was this, and I offered logos on the back as well, stippling on the front, flat black just like the Shapeways version. ABS plastic, slides right on, fits right into the gun, and very comfortable. But I've currently been working on a version 2 model. This is the version 1. I was really happy with it, but I wanted to make it a little bit better and a little bit easier for me. The flat black process is very labor intensive. So I decided to come up with this version that matches the gun a whole lot better. It's still not perfect, no, but I added the stippling on the side. Here, let me go ahead and put it on the magazine. Stippling on the side resembles closer of the stippling on the lower receiver. The same stippling on the front. Added this. You still get logo versions on the back. This one is a Taurus logo, and please don't ask me for these because I cannot sell these due to copyright infringement, but I do offer several other logos. This one fits a whole lot better, looks a whole lot better to me. So these will eventually phase out the version 1 models as soon as the other ones sell out, and maybe I'll even discount the other ones. But here's the difference between them, between the version 1 and the version 2. Let me see if I can get a little bit of light here. You can see a little bit of roundedness here. Also the back. It's all for a few different variants on the back for the logos. One says G2, one says 9mm, and I'll keep adding a few other logos there as well. But I'll send the link to eBay in the video description below, so get a chance, check it out. Thanks guys, have a good day.